Hey guys, it's Marian from My Crafty Home and Garden, and today I wanted to give you an update on the garden. My last video, I kind of did a really quick run through of all my plans and what I wanted to get done. Today, I'm going to kind of show you what I've gotten done, and of course show you that plans have changed. But everything is going well. I am pooped. I have my little fan going to give me some air. This thing is a lifesaver. I got it from Walmart, and this hat has been so helpful. On the porch, as you can see, just taking a break. But I'm going to show you real quick how things are going. Now, some things are looking a little sad because things have been moved and it's really hot. But I wait to water in the evening time, so there's that. But let me flip the camera around and show you what we got going on. So as you can see, I finished planting out this bed. Last night I kind of pulled out all the little extra dead bulbs. Some of the bulbs were kind of molded. I kind of cleaned out this bed really good, and I got planting. So we'll start from this end and we'll work our way over here, and I'll show you what I got going on. So these marigold flowers, like I said, these need to be watered. They watered last night when I did do them, but just being transplanted, they kind of need a little extra water. So we'll get some water to them later on tonight when the sun goes down. But I have some flowers. There's baby breath. I'm not exactly sure what that one is. And it's another flower. I cut the dead blooms off, so I'm hoping it comes back. That is a pepper. That's a sunflower, and I have another baby breath behind there. This is a tomato. Some more marigold flowers are here. Pepper plant, a tomato, sunflower, another flower here. Marigold flowers are down here. They're going to pop up with some water. This is cucumbers. As you can see, there are some baby cucumbers. Let me see if I can zoom in and show you guys. Look at there. Baby cucumbers are forming. Isn't that exciting? You see little baby cucumbers? Okay, and then on this side again we have flowers, sunflowers, cucumbers, tomato, pepper, and another flower. So with some water, these will hopefully get used to their new home and get used to being out the pot and be able to spread their legs a little bit more. I watered them yesterday, but I'm going to water them again today. So just keeping them watered. I think they'll be okay. I left the basil here by itself. I pulled it out to get some sun. It's a little dusty from the soil, but the basil is going to go up there. But I left it right here to get some sun for right now. Over here I did find these rocks to kind of put here. Maybe I'll scrounge around and find some more rocks to kind of rock this in and just make this like a little flower bed. What I plan on doing here is just leaving the rest of my tomatoes, peppers, broccoli, and lettuces here. And I'm keeping that in a pot. And those are, oh gosh, what are those called? Daylilies. This popped up randomly, and after moving all the flowers, I have no idea what this is. This is a pepper. These are broccoli. That's broccoli. This is a okra plant, and I'm gonna show you what we got going on in the back. Originally, we have talked about planting stuff behind the deck, but we're actually going to move out these flowers and put them in front of the garage. So this whole section here is what's going to be for the squash, the corn, and my watermelon, eggplant kind of stuff. So that's all going to be in this section all through here. We're going to get the tiller and till this up real good and block it off. So for some odd reason, I thought this was watermelon. Y'all, this is squash. It may be a summer squash, but this is squash. This is not watermelon. That is squash. This is squash right here. This is a squash here. This is squash here. This is a squash here. There's another squash right here. And this is eggplant. That's eggplant. And this is corn. Look, y'all. I have corn. Can y'all see this? This is corn. Do a different angle. This is corn. Y'all see that? I have corn. corn growing. So excited about that. But I don't know why I thought that was watermelon. And it didn't dawn on me that it was not watermelon until I went to my neighbor's house across the street who's actually growing watermelon. And I was like, that's not what I have. And I realized, like, that's not even the leaf of a watermelon. So I don't know if I got my seeds mixed up, labeled them wrong, or what happened. But I have squash for days, which is a good thing I like it. But I am going to try to grow some watermelon because I do want them. So we'll see what happens with that if I'm able to successfully grow watermelon. I'm really hoping I can. That's something I always wanted to do outside of growing corn. So you see how little I have. You can grow corn. You can grow corn in containers. You can grow squash and everything else. Don't see all this and think, well, she had land. Well, girl, this little plot right here can be in the back of somebody's townhouse or a small backyard. You saw what I had in the front of the house. So you can totally do it. Don't let this discourage you. Just go to my video about the do's and the don'ts. It's in my gardening playlist, and there I talk about companion planting, I talk about square foot gardening method, and a bunch of other things. So these videos from now on that I'm going to be doing is just going to be showing you my harvest and showing you how I'm growing stuff and showing my trials and errors and my mistakes. So don't let that fool you. I'm gonna come in here and get out the sun for a minute. But yeah, just let this be a lesson for you to just try. It doesn't matter. My neighbor across the street, I'm not going to show her house because I don't have permission, but she just has some tomatoes growing, like 4 or 5 tomatoes is growing on the side of her house. Like, you can grow pretty much anywhere. You really can. So I am actually going to get off here. I am hot. And try to clean up a little bit. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. I wanted to come back out here. Hey y'all, this is the next day. I wanted to come back out here and show you guys my plants because they have really perked up this morning. I mean, look at these flowers on the squash. How gorgeous is this? This is just what a little water does and some good sunshine, huh? And look at them big plants back there. You can definitely see the squash growing. So excited. Look how big and beautiful these are. They're just showing out. Again, we get another good look at the corn. This is experimental because I've never grown corn before. So excited about that. Look at those big flowers. All right, let's go check out the garden in the front of the house. These are mums I bought last year and they're starting to bud now, as you can see. This is a little okra. And my lettuce is coming back. I have harvested a bunch. It's coming back, which I needed because we're going camping and I plan on making plenty of salad for everybody. Some peppers budding over there. Okay, so I had to pick my friend up over here. He fell down, this cucumber. I think the wind got too strong for it yesterday, but everything else is looking really good. You can see how the flowers are opening up really nicely right here. The leaves are not as wilted. That's kind of how they look yesterday. But that one fell down, so I'm hoping it'll come back to life today. But you see how open the leaves are compared to yesterday? This is just some water and some sunshine, so just let you know, don't be afraid to come out here and transplant your stuff and water it because it'll come back to life. Look at my flowers. They're standing up. This mum perked back up. So things are, perking back up. These kind of are starting to come back up. That one oh, look, y'all. Even this one perked up. See? This was like flat on the ground. No hope. Everything perked up. Everything perked up, and that one's gonna perk up too. I believe it. Well, this flower kind of opened up some. Look at there. See? So it just kind of got smushed down. So I just kind of weaved it in a little bit more. It's kind of standing up. This leaf looks better. Look at there. That looks better. Sunflowers are standing up taller. We're going to just take off that sucker. We want you to focus on producing tomatoes. So this is exciting. I just wanted to pop in and show you because things were looking kind of sad yesterday when I did my tour, and I was like, okay, I gotta show them another glimpse of stuff. Things do perk up, things do come back to life.